Welcome to RaeAnn's channel, where you discover your gifts, learn how to teach, and thrive. Thank you for joining me. Today, this video is about keeping yourself healthy during the coronavirus, as an individual or as a teacher, whichever you are. So, the three I have are wash hands, of course, we all know, wear a mask on your face going out in public to help stop the spread of the virus, getting fresh air and passion. So, number one, obviously, let's be healthy. Let's not spread germs. When you go outside and you touch things at a store that you're going to get groceries at, wash your hands, but it's good to be sanitizing things and washing surfaces and that sort of thing. I went around in my house and washed, my kids were sick before this all happened, and washed every lights fixture, every light switch, doorknob.
What? Switches can get dirty, so can doorknob. I'm done.
Wash all our sheets, made sure things were clean, washing the surfaces in your bathroom, having your kids wash your hands regularly.
Wash your hands. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday.
Reminding them, talking with them about what is going on in the world. And that's important to wash our hands. And then when we greet someone, if we see them outside, is to stay distant, not to run up to them and shake their hand, but just to wave and say hello and to be friendly still. Number two is to fresh air will help you stay healthy.
Want that fresh air, open and close.
Not only physically, but mentally. Some of the treated windows do not let some of the important rays through that you need to help yourself get your vitamin D you need. Especially during the winter time, as we're going into spring, which we're in spring now, the sun is changing position. No, the sun isn't changing position. The earth is changing position and getting closer to the sun, therefore we'll have more exposure. But maybe just opening up that window and letting some of that beautiful breeze and wonderful air to just come on through, that could be very helpful. Here's my window, right here, I keep glancing at. My water. So that fresh air can help you so much during this time. Not only improve your mood, but it blows out all the stale air and gives you quite a mood lift also. Fresh air, not only inside if you can't go out, but to go outside. Take a walk. Take a walk outside.
What are you looking at, girls?
One of my friends went to a trail nearby, and she went with her family. The trail was near her house, and they just explored and had a great time. And number three, your passion. What is your passion? To help improve your mood and being stuck in all the time, it can be hard.
Do you have any tips, honey, about how to stay healthy during this coronavirus, being a chiropractor?
Biggest thing to remember is that your immune system doesn't function if you're scared and stressed out and worried. Like, the best thing that you can do is just remember, you can't plan too far ahead. You don't know what the future's gonna hold. You can't look at your past and dwell on all the mistakes. Really, all you can do is live each day one at a time. Worry is what depresses your immune system. So don't worry. Just focus on each day's troubles one at a time.
Thank you.
Sure.
In the morning, I love coffee.
Passionate, something you're passionate about. I like drinking coffee in the morning and sometimes tea. So whatever is your cup of tea, So drinking. So good. I love to have coffee, even if it's in the afternoon. I switch to decaf or just make it half and half. I can't handle the coffee too strong. And so what are you passionate about? Calling a friend, do something that's for you. You are important. You are important, not just taking care of your kids and your family, your spouse or your significant other, or the dog or the cat, but you are important. So do something for you that day and create that space. Even if you have to let your kids watch a show for 20 minutes, take that time to drink your coffee. Another thing to do, help you relax, secret stash of chocolate. Not to be shared with any furry friends. No matter how badly they want it.
If you like what you see and want to see more content, don't forget to subscribe and smash that like button. So, finding your passion. Coffee, make sure you're doing exercise. You can do home exercises. There's so many platforms doing home exercises. Make sure to take care of you. Like when you're on a plane and they say, don't put the mask on your child first. Put it on yourself because you need to be safe yourself so you can take care of them. Because if you pass out and they have the mask on and you don't, you need to be there to protect them and help them. So you need to be that rock at home, whether it's you and your spouse or just yourself with your kids at home. It's important that you take care of you, that you're making sure. Something I need to remind myself of is to get exercise, to make sure that I am getting myself enough water and food and even coffee. Your passion, I love talking to people, so making sure I am phoning my friend or FaceTiming them or calling my parents because we are apart now. Take care of yourself. Make sure that you are not only being sanitizing things, that's important, but you need to take care of yourself now so you can take care of all of those around you. Put that mask on yourself first. It's so important to find things and to do things that you like to do, that makes you happy, whether it's taking a bath, eating chocolate, having coffee, anything of the like is great. Like and subscribe, please. My dog thinks I'm talking to her. Hi, honey. Come here. Come here. When you say hi, come here. Come here. Hello. You're so nice. Do I smell like chocolate?